Guys, in the cryptocurrency space, the security of your cryptocurrency assets is supposed to be your top priority. And in this video, I will show you my top picks for the hot wallets that you could go ahead and check out as well. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's hit it on. The hot wallets, guys, is Exodus. So this one stands out for its intuitive interface and the built-in exchange, and it is perfect for beginners that are seeking seamless user experience. Now, of course, as time went by, a lot of wallets, a lot of hot wallets have actually made sure that they would be able to integrate a lot of features like staking, holding NFTs, trading, swapping, and all that. They want to make sure that you could do everything in their product or in their brand. So that is the main reason why I wanted to make sure that you are doing your own research so you would know, more who they are, what they do, what are the things that stands out. And again, guys, these are pretty much free. I mean, you don't really need to pay anything for you to be able to use them because they are hot wallets out there that, you could use with whatever you're doing in the cryptocurrency space. So go ahead and do your own research on it. Follow all their social media platforms. That way you'll always be updated with any announcements that they are making. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.